All right. All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today, we got ourselves a Goose Island. This should be easily a one beer install. And we'll call it a little sponsored by Goat Fab. Just kind of giving a little shout out. You guys know that they are actually still working on the rock sliders. He actually texted me today saying that a few of the brackets are still waiting to get bent, and so once they get bent, and hopefully have them roughly. Everything should be done with both rock sliders by next week. So hopefully by next week or so, we should be able to finally get the rock sliders on. So I'm actually testing out the new Osmo 3 Pocket. So now it's really hands free, and it literally just follows me. So it's kind of an upgrade to this channel, and I'm excited to actually really get to try this. If you don't know anything about the Osmo, it's a very small camera, so I'm pretty happy with it. So let's just crack this beer open and get it in. Cheers. So so today's video is actually I'm actually gonna be talking about an update on a previous video that I did, which is the diff drop. One issue that they had is that they shipped out. With one or two spacers and the two bolts. These bolts right here that came with the in the package did not fit. These were actually for the previous generation, so we're not gonna need these anymore. I'm not 100% sure. We're gonna figure it out as we go. So let's just pop this box open, and it should just be spacers and a few bolts. So yeah. Huh. He threw in a root beer. Love it. One beer, root beer. You know, Mike from the Level Up Suspension is a super nice guy. And so what came with it, so obviously with the package that I'm actually opening up here, these things are already going to be in the box when you guys buy it from Level Up Suspension. So it's not going to come separately. I just messaged him on excuse me. I messaged him on Instagram, and you know, actually this is kind of how we found this little issue. And so I'm sure if you guys have ordered up the diff drop for your guys' ZR2s, and you guys are trying to figure out what why they're not really working, it's because you got the wrong bolts. So message him. I'm sure he will send you out a because it's literally. So you are going to need these two because I can just tell. So you're going to get 3 bolts and 3 washers, and you're not going to get the fatter ones. So you can throw those ones to the side. There you go. That's the update right there. Ooh, I like that. That really, there you go. Well, it's kind of bouncing around. Obviously you guys see right here, you guys are going to get these 3 washers, or you're going to get 3 spacers and 3 new bolts. So that's what's actually going to come in the regular package and not just like a separate one that I had. So again, if you guys ordered the diff drop, and I know a couple of you guys actually posted online trying to figure out why these bolts weren't working, just because you needed these and 2 more, or you needed basically, I should say, you need three of these bolts and another washer, so or spacer. So yeah, that's really it, and I'm going to show you guys why these things are needed and whatnot. So let's just jump underneath the truck and let's get right to it. You can just see that pumpkin on that skid plate, so that's why it's important to put these bolts on here in case you know, if you're off-roading and you smack this, you're not going to see it just hit right into that bumper. Trying to, come on, there you go. So all you're going to have to do is replace this bolt, and this bolt with your 13 millimeter. I'm not 100% sure. I may have to loosen up the front, which are the same, which are the same bolts. So Actually kind of, if I can see. I can get that kind of in there. It may be kind of hard to see, but it is. There's probably a good half a centimeter of gap in there. Almost would think you're better off just doing all 5 spacers, but in my personal opinion, that would probably almost help to keep it a little bit farther distance. Because it's one, yeah. But it is off of the diff, so that is good. So let's just jump out, and like I said, it's super simple and a quick little update. Like I said, that was a very simple, just a simple update, and I want to let you guys know that they did come out and fix it. So if you haven't bought it yet, you won't even have to worry about it because it's already going to be in that packaging. And yeah, like I said, that was a one beer install. Wasn't too hard. I think half of it I was just sitting here talking on the phone for a minute. But so yeah, that's really it. The next video that we are going to be doing, I'm going to work on it this weekend, and hopefully, because I have Monday off, hopefully have the Les Fit switch pod installed on the truck, and we'll get that video up. And hopefully, like I said, if this is your guys' first time checking out any of my channels, my name is Tony, and we really just talk about ZR2's installs, and eventually once this winter's over, we're going to be going off-roading. So yeah, that's all I really got for you guys today. And then and I do have another DIY thing that's going to be more important than probably anything, and save you guys some money. So actually, maybe we'll do that tomorrow, and I'll get that one installed. So yeah, I gotta go get my son. So we're supposed to have a bad snowstorm starting tomorrow. So if you guys live in the Midwest and get in the snowstorm, hopefully you guys stay safe. And if you are somewhere nice and shiny, I'm jealous. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Cheers to the beer. To Goose Island.